A few moments later, 12 seconds later, 20 minutes later, 1 hour later, 2 hours later, 2 hours later, 3 hours later, 6 hours later, 6.5 hours later. Tomorrow for sure. The next day, 3 days later, 3 weeks later, many months later, 2,000 years later, 1 eternity later.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
A few inches later, meanwhile, later, eventually, day 2, day 3, day 4, midnight, 12 o'clock, 3:28 a.m., 8:01 p.m.